Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free Discord Nitro in 2025. So this is a modded Discord app here, as you can see. So you can see right here I do not have Nitro, but when I go over and press get Nitro, you can see we're going to do the Nitro. And we have an option to use the Discord dev mode to get it for free. So I'm going to press purchase, and as you can see guys, it's going through. And then we're going to press continue. And as you can see, I qualify for Discord dev mode. This will give me 12 months of Discord Nitro, all these settings. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue, and as you can see it says applying it to my account, and bang guys, as you can see it says your account now is Discord Nitro for 12 months. Experimental features will roll out, so I'm going to press done, and you can see it says Nitro activate. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this onto your device. So let's get into the tutorial. So first thing we're going to do is just go to tweakmotd.com and find the Discord. Go ahead and press install. So at the end guys, there's going to be a little like a verification step, and it's pretty simple. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, but it's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. All right, so it shouldn't take that long. All right, so let's just see what happens. Okay, so it's loading right now. So anyway guys, once it is done, we just need to verify our device. So let me just go ahead and do that. So as you can see, it's going to show us all these apps. So you just want to download 2 of the apps. Doesn't have to be the same ones, but like Family Island says reach level 11. So I would just download it and reach level 11. It's a game. Or I could do like Travel Town, but just make sure you do 2 of them. You're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but I don't really do videos like this, but this site is so good. They have some other mods on here as well, so maybe if those interest you, you could try them, but super insane guys, totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm gonna see you in another one, but yes, it's so crazy guys. As you can see, tweakmotd.com, so try it out right away.